Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change profile picture in Outlook web. So let's get started. So if you want to change your profile picture in Outlook web, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your Chrome browser just simply select your account, and in search bar you have to search for outlook.com. After searching for Outlook.com, now what you have to do is just simply make sure that you log into your account. And after logging into your account, now in order to change your picture, what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. So you will find the profile icon over here. Just simply tap on it and then tap on my profile. And after tapping on that, now you'll come up to this page. From here you can change your profile picture. Now in order to change your picture, what you have to do is just simply tap on add a photo. And after tapping on add a photo, now you can go ahead and add a photo by tapping on this option which is add a photo. And by tapping on that, now it will take you to your files from where you can choose a photo. So from here you can just simply go ahead and then select a photo that you would like to add. So for example, I would like to add this photo. So what I can do is just simply select it and then tap on open. And after tapping on open here, you can see guys the photo has been successfully added. Now you can just simply zoom it, zoom out. You can rotate it if you want. And after doing that, now you just have to tap on save. And after tapping on save here, you can see guys you have successfully changed your profile picture in Outlook. So that's it guys, this is how to change profile picture in Outlook web. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.